wait also for the statement of the military and the police. Then I will decide.
So as of yet, sir, wala pa po silang
Wala pa
forward
po.
po sa'yo.
Wala pa ho sa table ko. I was looking at the papers kanina pag ano. Hindi ako kasi I am always behind my schedule. Kasi I had so many and this Korea, sabi ko sa inyo, I hate traveling. I don't want to travel. It gives me headache and everything. But this is important, you know, so many things at stake. One is that we are buying arms. Second is that there are many assistance on the way coming. Third is itong Seoul is a vital partner natin. Alam mo kasi